Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you three topics that are how to run ERP system with server. Second, how to back up ERP system files if we need it. And the last one, how to back up ERP database with all data. I'm going to show you the first one, how to run the ERP system with the server in our LAN or local area network in our area. So let's find out to start the server. Our server is running or not? So we'll figure out, and if not, then we'll run the ERP system, run the server. Then we will log into our ERP system. So let's check the server is running or not. So our server will depend the Jam or Apache. So here is the, so click on the start menu. It will be the list of items the programs are installed. So here is the all programs. So we'll search here by typing the Jam for the server. Type XAMPP, and the first one will be Jam control panel. We'll click this icon. If we restart the PC or turning off the PC earlier, so we need to, when we start our PC computer server newly, then we need to run the Jam for the server. In the server, our ERP system will run. Okay, let's click on it, Jam control panel. So we will able to see a new pop-up screen with control panel. Here is our service module. This is the Apache server, MySQL. This is our database system. So here is the module. So we are you can see the green background with green color background. That means it's running, it's perfectly running. There is no issue, no problem. So sometimes we need to we'll see to red color or yellow color. That time we'll guess this server is not running properly. So on that case, we will restart our PC or we will restart our system again, and we will follow this instruction. We will follow our instruction in this way. I'm gonna show you. So you can see this is the green. This is the green signal. That means our server is running properly. Okay. Now we can close this screen. So we need to minimize this. We'll click a browser, say for Google Chrome or Firefox. So we recommended the Google Chrome. It's easy to handle and lightweight. Okay, let's type how now we are going to show that how to access our ERP system with main server, because we're in our office. We will see 4, 5 or 10 computers. All computer will access main server, main computer where our ERP system is installed. So how we will access in our ERP system? So we will type our local server PC's IP, the IP of server PC. IP, that means our local IP will be like this. So I'm going to show you with alerts that our local IP in general will be 192.168.1 or some other, maybe 44 or 22 or 1, and the this will be 34 or 1 or 100, or it's customizable, but first two 192 and 168 is fixed for our local area network. So second and the third will be customizable with our network system. So in our PC I have a IP like 0.0.1. this is our XAMPP or Apache server. So we will access like this way. We will enter the IP and then click on the keyboard the front slash like this and type ERP for our system, because we installed our ERP system by the name of ERP. Okay, so hit on the enter. So here is our screen ERP system. So now we are able to log into our system. This is the user login area. So we will type our username, say for example admin, and the password like something password. So click on the login button. So we are logging to our system. So what we learned? We learned how to start our server by typing the XAMPP in start program, and then in browser we will type our IP address which is given by the system administrator or the network administrator, and then the system name, the ERP. So here is the system, how we gonna access to our ERP system. The second one, how to back up ERP system files. So in our server PCs, we will go to the computer or by clicking on the start button and click on the computer. So we will see in our main server, we will see only one drive. Like here is 5 drive, like say C, D, E and F for DVD and other for external drive. So in our main server we will see only one drive, one driver, one partition. So here is the C. So we will click here and see a folder of lists. So like I have in the D folder, in the D. So I'm going to this drive D, but we need to follow because we have only one drive like C. Now I have 3, more than 3, so I will keep my server in D. So I'm going to the partition D. So here is the XAMPP. So in our main server we will see this folder called XAMPP. We installed the XAMPP control panel earlier. Like say for example we type XAMPP. This is called XAMPP control panel. This is the server, and here is in my computer and C drive we will see the XAMPP folder. So we will move here, and the another folder we will see which is htdocs. Like we will go like this way for C drive, and then XAMPP folder, and then htdocs folder, and then ERP folder. So we will follow this path. So we entered in our drive C or D, because I have D, and in our main server there is C. So that is same. We will see XAMPP folder and then htdocs, and here is our system files. So do not worry about that, because we have the list of folders in our main server. So we'll find out a folder whose name is only ERP, not underscore ERP, not ERP underscore. We will find out only the folder whose is ERP. So ERP. So we'll enter this folder here. So basically here is our main system files. There are more than 100 of files in folder or subfolder. So we will not go into this folder. We will not enter into these folders, because this is highly restricted. If any folder or files changed, our system will not run. So be careful to take any decision to unauthorized folder. Okay, now we're gonna take a backup once in a month, or twice in a month. We do not need to keep backup in every week. We can. It's nothing. There is the system files only. There is no data here. There is no data, only file. So if we keep the backup once in a month or once in twice month, that will be okay, no problem. So just select the folder and files together and click on that selected folders with right side on the mouse. Click here and you will see the list of options. So we'll click add to archive or erp.rat. So I'm gonna show you the add to archive, because we need to archive name to be customized. Like, say for example, today is 23rd November. So ERP underscore 23rd November 2014. So we can keep our backup. By our specific name, specific date, or with some title or articles, whatever we need. So click the button OK. So the system will convert into a RAR or zip file for backup in one file. In case of emergency, if we destroy any other folder or files, we can restore our system by this file. So we will keep this folder in another location for backup, like for portable hard drive, external hard drive, or in CD or DVD for future needs. Okay, so we just learn how to back up ERP system files. ERP system files, we will access to the C drive, and then XAMPP folder, and htdocs, and then ERP folder. Then select all files together and click on the right mouse, and you will see the add to archive. Here is the options. We can customize our name, and archive format will be RAR or zip. You can choose any one, both are better. Okay, now we will move to number 3, how to backup ERP database with all data. Okay, so we'll find another backup software for database only, whose name is SQL Yoke. We installed in our server this software, whose name is SQL Yoke. We will type this keyword into our start program in Windows. Like earlier we entered the XAMPP for run the server. So we will type SQL Yoke in our start program, like search the program and files. SQL, the first one. We got a number of lists. So SQL Yoke, this is called, like this icon is dolphin fish. SQL Yoke, we'll click SQL Yoke. So here is the new screen. We will see here is the option, the local host, saved connections. We will connect to our database system by this software. This software will help you to keep backup and to restore data from backup. This software will help you everything for database only. You can say for data management. So save the connection. Here is the connection list. So we will select like local host. You will see the host, MySQL host address, local host. Username will be password. It's default. I set up already in every server PC. So click to connect. Here is the connect button. Connect. So here is the list of database. Here is the list of database in our database server. So we'll find out a database whose name is UR. So we will click the name UR. Here is our database, or you can select by here UR. So now we will export our all data for backup from our database server. So how will we do that? So let's take a look. So here is our menu: file, edit, favorite, and database. So here is the database. So we'll click here, and here is the backup. See, a backup export. Here is the import. Backup will, this backup option will allow you to keep all of data together into a file, and import will help you to restore all data from a file to our database server. So here is the both option we have. If in case we lost our data, then we can import all data from our backup file. Here is the option to backup. So I'll need to backup this data in every day or once in 2 or 3 days between. It's better if we take backup database in every day, in the end of the day. Okay, then mouse over on the backup. Here is the both option: SQL backup or backup database as SQL dump. So we will click backup database as SQL DOM. So click here, and here is the database name, which database we are going to save into our desktop or another place for backup. So export as SQL will take all database structure and data. So here is the location where we will keep the file. So export to file, let's save it on desktop. SQL file name is your, or you can type your name like ERP by today 23rd November 2023, NOB November and 2014. Okay, save. So here is the path the file will store. So here is the export button, click export. So make sure all objects are selected. Somehow in case by unnecessary clicks it will be disabled to selected items. So take a look for a moment that all objects are selected, because here is the lots of data with structure, because we selected structure and data. So after click the button export successfully and click the done. Okay, now we are going to close this software SQL. Okay, so we'll see our SQL file. Here is our SQL file. We just kept backup from our database server. This file will help us to restore all data in case of destroy our main server. So it's most important to take the backup in each and every day. Obviously end of the day. So we'll keep this file in our DVD or in our external or portable hard drive. So we'll keep in better location, like in other drive, whatever you choose. So here is our 3 topics we learned. So we came to know how to run the ERP system, how to run server and the system, how to back up ERP system files, and how to back up ERP database with all data by using SQL Yog software, which is installed into our server. Thank you so much.